Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with an additional installation of the JulieNutting Doll 2020 celebration. We typically post on the first Saturday of the month, and of course we moved it to the second one because of the 4th of July. And then we're also doing an additional one this month because we want to do something with Emmylou. So this is the stamp for Emmylou right here. Emmylou, you can see her right there. So she comes with a bow, a hat, plain dress-up stamp, and when I grow up stamp, a doll and a purse. So of course you're not limited to use her by herself. So that's one thing I like about it. You can use this. You can use any of the sentiments. You can change her up with the hair on top of her head, or the bow on her outfit, or the purse to totally give her a different look. What I decided to do this month, which I hadn't done before, was to make a tag. So I used this old JulieNutting tag that came out, I think when they first came out in like 2013, I think it was. And these are 8.5, 3.5 by 8.5. So I just used one of these. I used my the Crafters Workshop Time Travel 6x6 stencil, and I used this, excuse me, 2:30 in the morning, Hottie Swap acrylic stamp, just as a background. So what I did was I stamped her out and fussy cut her out, and I colored it with my Spectrum Noir markers. And then I used one of these out of here. I took it and I did background stamping with this. Then I took a napkin, white napkin, and covered the background. Then I took pieces from, oops, I forgot my critical piece, I'm sorry. I showed y'all this in a haul recently from Ollie's for $1.29. This is a nice stamp set of, what do you call these things, napkins. I use this, of course I use my water brush and I just, cut it out, and I use the bird cage. So I use those two images on it. And then I use some modeling paste and stencil, and this is my tag, and I think she is absolutely gorgeous. I totally love her, so I gave her some red bottoms because, well, they're not just red bottoms, they're red pumps. That's my favorite. And then I stamped out when I grow up, and I put a little bit of the gold metallic paint around it, and I mixed my spackling paste with some, not modeling paste, it was spackling paste, and I mixed it with some metallic gold, and so it kind of muted the color because it was actually pink, not white. Spackling tape, I can't talk. Yeah, and then so that kind of muted the color, but anyway, you can kind of see it added some dimension. If you look close to the background, you can see the script, and I edged it with the gold metallic paint. And you can see here, where right here is the outline of the bird cage. Right here is the dresser with the flowers and the chocolate and the perfume. And so my vision for this was her in her mom's room, at her mom's desk, getting dressed, playing dress up because there's pearls on the table, everything. So she's just being a little girly girl following her mom, sitting at her settee and just want to pretend and dress up and be girly girl. So that's why I love playing with these tags. It's just one of those things like you just get to play dress up and fashion and pretend. And so that was just kind of cool with paper dolls and all that kind of stuff. So I really love, the paper dolls. But anyway, it is so late, but that's alright. I just want to make sure I had the video, and then that way I will upload it and have it first thing in the morning. So I just want to inspire you with that. So hopefully you're going to play along as well if you have Emmylou to make a response. And yeah, I think she turned out really cute. So all the other collaborators will be in my description box below. Check them out. I guarantee you'll be inspired, motivated to try something new with your doll. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. God bless. Take care.